Much of what you will be doing with Sesame is entering and editing records. There are some handy commands and keyboard shortcuts available to make things a bit easier. Sesame includes a Quick Start menu. This is a context-sensitive pop-up menu of common commands that can help you navigate quickly around your application. To launch the Quick Start menu, click Quick Start menu on the menu bar. To enter the current date in a field, press Ctrl F5. To enter the current time in a field, press Alt F5. You can also use the Insert Current Date and Insert Current Time buttons on the command menu. Note that if your time field is not formatted to display seconds, you will see a conversion warning when leaving the field. This is normal. To undo changes to the current field, press Ctrl F7 or click the Undo Current Field button on the command menu. To undo changes to the entire record, press Shift F7 or click the Undo Current Form button on the command menu. If you are working with multiple records and need to repeat values, use the Ditto command. F5 will ditto the field value from the previous record. You can also use the Ditto Current Field button on the command menu. To delete the current record, press F3 and click Yes on the confirmation dialog. You can also use the Delete Record button on the command menu. F3 also clears the retrieve spec in search mode, so be careful not to delete a record unintentionally. If you need to edit long values, you can press F6 to bring up the field editor. The field editor is a resizable pop-up editor that gives you plenty of room to work with long values such as notes or descriptions. There are lots of keyboard shortcuts available in Sesame. To see an overview, choose Show Function Key menu from the View menu. This will display a context-sensitive pop-up with buttons for each key combination and a short description of what it does. Sometimes you need to just completely back out of a record without saving your changes. To do this, press Escape and click Yes on the confirmation dialog. This will close your form without saving your changes.